Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into an important and versatile word, asset. If this is your first time listening, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for being part of our journey to explore the richness of the English language. Now, let's jump right in. The word asset is a noun that refers to something valuable or useful. It can describe anything that brings benefit or advantage, whether it's a physical object, a quality, or even a person. For example, a good education is a real asset in today's world. The word is often used in both personal and professional contexts, making it a valuable addition to your vocabulary. Let's look at some synonyms for asset. Words like advantage, resource, benefit, and strength can all convey similar meanings. For example, you might say, her ability to communicate effectively is her greatest strength, or having multiple skills is a huge advantage in any career. Each of these words highlights the value or usefulness of something, just like asset does. On the flip side, let's explore antonyms. Words like liability, drawback, burden, or disadvantage contrast sharply with asset. For example, a lack of confidence can be a serious liability in job interviews, or poor time management is often a major disadvantage in meeting deadlines. These examples show how something can be less helpful or even harmful instead of valuable. So, how can you use asset in everyday life? It's a common word in conversations about finances, qualities, or resources. For instance, her creativity is a huge asset to our team, or investing in real estate can be a smart way to grow your assets. You might also hear it in idiomatic expressions like, an honest friend is a real asset in life. Here are some additional examples of asset in sentences. Good health is the most important asset anyone can have. Technology has become an invaluable asset in education. He is an asset to the company because of his innovative ideas. These sentences show how versatile the word can be, fitting into both formal and casual situations. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. The word asset means something valuable or useful, whether it's a physical item, a personal quality, or a financial resource. Synonyms like advantage and benefit emphasize its positive aspects, while antonyms like liability and burden highlight what it is not. Asset is a word you can use to describe anything or anyone that adds value, so don't hesitate to incorporate it into your vocabulary. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It helps others discover the show and join our language learning community. I'd also love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using asset and share it with us in the comments. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, every word is an asset in your journey to mastering English.
See you soon.